New Orleans, Louisiana will continue to see dramatic increases in sea level rise as time goes by. This area is vulnerable because it sits 4 meters below sea level, and as the land is subsiding close to 3 centimeters per year, close to several reasons, such as overpumping aquifers, draining wetlands, and because the underlying crust is subsiding due to excessive accumulation of sediment. Because New Orleans is located below sea level, they will be dramatically impacted by rising sea levels caused by warming oceans and melting sea ice. When Hurricane Katrina hit New Orleans, it was mostly affected by the massive storm surge that followed. As hurricanes and extreme storms continue, New Orleans will continue to face flooding and damage from heavy rains. For the New Orleans community, as climate change happens and storms increase in magnitude, people should expect erosion of land near the water, flooding, losses in agriculture, and huge amounts of property destruction. Solutions for New Orleans would be to maintain their increased levee system, slow down the rates at which aquifers are being pumped, and reduce draining of the wetlands. Not to mention, slowing down climate change can also slow down the rates at which the water rises. So the U.S., as well as other countries, should be working on slowing down emissions to keep the water from heating up and expanding more. Also, in order to maintain property damage, it should be beneficial for individuals who live close to the coastline to sell their property and move farther inland.